Temujin was born deep into the Mongol steppe. This young boy was born into a murderous land where people and tribes came, and they'd come all across and they'd kill, they'd steal, take whatever they wanted from other tribes. And this Mongol steppe was a land where winter was from November to March. And during this time period, it was windy, it was cold, mostly below freezing, and at night, it would get down to below -40. That is cold, especially for people who don't have down coats and sleeping bags. But this kid, though he struggled to stay warm at night, did not let that stop him. He rose up and became one of the most fearless leaders this world has ever known. He conquered an empire that is as big as 3 times the U.S., including Alaska. This is 9.3 million square miles. And this empire would remain united for 162 years. This little Temujin is more famously known as Genghis Khan. This barbarian conquered most of the world through his tribes that were united under one single power. Now, the secret of unity does not lie in this secret history of the Mongols, this violent history.